This video, I'm gonna be showing y'all what to do when you get a pair of sneakers that doesn't have an insole in it. And we're gonna be making our own custom DIY insole. Okay, so first we're gonna start by getting a piece of aluminum foil. I'm using a heavy duty piece of aluminum foil, by the way. We're gonna cut it out to size of the shoe, and then we're gonna put it inside so that we can get a mold. Once we get the aluminum foil out, I'm gonna lay it very flat onto the piece of foam. This is very important for your cutout. This is the same foam I use for the how to repair heel drag tutorial. So please go check out that video for more insight about heel drag repair. Okay, so now back to it. After we have our outline, we're gonna get a pair of scissors and we're gonna cut out our template. Next, after that, we're gonna stuff the foam inside the shoe to get it properly fitted. And then we're gonna grab a heat gun and heat up the foam so that we're able to mold it into the sneaker's interior. Be very careful here because the foam can get pretty hot. Okay, so once you feel that the foam is molded and is properly fitted, just take it out and let it cool and check the insole for curvature and trim it if necessary. Next up, I'm gonna get some fabric glue and we're gonna apply it to the insole and we're gonna lay our fabric on top. Once it's dry, we're gonna grab our scissors and we're gonna cut out our fabric. Next up, I'm gonna grab a pair of cuticle scissors and trim all the loose frayed edges. If there are any loose edges, I'll just apply some glue after to seal them. Next up, we're gonna get a mini torch and we're gonna apply heat to remove any and all frayed edges for a nice clean finish. Just make sure that your glue is completely dried here because remember that the glue is flammable. So make sure that it's dry because that is a fire hazard. Disclaimer. And after that, we're finished. Just put your insole inside and you're good to go. Hey, my name is Footprints, and again, I'd like to thank you for watching. So here's a little bit about me. I specialize in reglues and patent leather repairs, and I also can fix the hole in the front of a toe box for like Yeezy 350s or on the side as well. I have a special suede and nubuck renewal powder and sealer that's available, and I also do online live classes. I have ebooks available, PDFs, and a whole lot more. So stay tuned. And thank you again. Hey, check this out. You can get this stuff for free because you can get paid whenever you share. If you want to learn how, just go check out the links in the description and see how you can become an affiliate and start sharing DIY sneaker repair products and get paid for doing it today. You can also earn credits for referring friends. You'll get 15% off and they'll get 15% off too for sharing sneaker repair products, books, and PDFs. Shoot me a comment and ask how, and I'll include my book, How I Made $1,125 in a month online selling old shoes today for free. So don't miss out on this offer. The number of free ebooks will be limited. Thank you for watching.